Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and welcome to day 31 of Vlogust, the final day. If you don't know, I am the face and the voice behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co. So anytime you see that name on the web, it is me. Today, like I said, last day of Vlogust. I am happy to have made it to the end of the month. It's been actually really fun to do. I thought I was going to regret it when I started it, but I stuck to it and I actually enjoyed making videos every day. It was really interesting. My watch time went way high up. You guys apparently really liked Vlogust, so I'm glad that it was also enjoyable for my audience. I'll do it again next year in August. I'm not coming back in for April. I need a solid year for this to recuperate. But yeah. Actually, before I sat down to record, my mail carrier brought my stuff, and I was so happy. And I'm also happy because it would appear that this dye lot matches pretty much the yarn that I have. Like, it's very, very close. I don't know if the blue is more bold or if it's just that I've had the other yarn for so long and then this one. Anyway, nevertheless, the dye lots are pretty darn close, so I'm absolutely happy. And so at this point, my dress, the skirt part of it comes like just above my knee, and I intended for it to be a floor length dress, and I'm pretty sure I can get maybe 4 to 5 more inches of fabric out of what's already on my needles. So this is going to be plenty of yarn to finish that project, and I am absolutely happy about it. So I'm really grateful that that Etsy seller had this yarn. Oh my gosh, especially since it's discontinued. It's crazy. I'm not going to get over this for a while. Also, I was able to get up early this morning. For some reason lately I catnap instead of going to bed. So I went to bed at like 1 o'clock and then I woke up at 4:30 and it was actually 4:29. I'm like, why? I couldn't go back to sleep, so I stayed up and I finished my plumb bob tutorial this morning, and I actually went over it with I guess you'd call it surface crochet around the edges. So I might do a video in the future on how I did that with this patch, but yeah, so this is done being recorded, and I am so happy. When I took all the film off my camera, I had 23 clips to put together, so this is going to be really interesting. I'm pretty sure it's like 3 hours worth of film. I'm pretty certain I'll have to see that timestamp when I load it all into Premiere. Oh, joy. But yeah, oh, that reminds me, I am definitely taking off Sunday. I said, you know, it's the Labor Day weekend, I might as well just take a chill pill this Sunday, give myself this week off, and then I'll come back anew the following week, and I am looking forward to that. Like I said, I have a video that's supposed to post tomorrow, so that's been pre-uploaded. That'll be there, but from today forward I'm not recording until next week. So yeah, I won't be recording from now until some point over the weekend. Yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has joined me for Vlogust. I appreciate the audience and the interaction. It was actually super fun. I've met so many new people, and there have been a lot of new faces to pop up on the channel. I'm now at 968 subscribers, so I forgot where I started at the month, but it's been pretty solid growth there, and I really appreciate you guys tuning in and subscribing. I am excited because, you know, I'm usually good at math, but I need paper right now. So I think my goal is 1,000 by October 1st, and I am pretty close. So 968. Doing math on camera is awkward. So I'm 32 subscribers away from my goal. I am excited. Now, some people ask me why October 1st, and that is my channel's anniversary. So I started uploading October 1st, 2018, and I've been at this for 2 years, and it's really interesting to see how the time has flown by and all the wonderful changes that have occurred on my channel and across my social media in that time. You guys watching this on Instagram, you guys already know about my Instagram. I just started this page in July, and I'm already at like 130, and I'm happy with that. And then for those of you guys on YouTube, I have a new Instagram page for Infiniti Crafting Co. If you are unaware of that at this point, it's in my description box below this video. But yeah, I've been posting all my whips and projects, and of course these Vlogust videos I've been posting over there. Usually I post them over there like on Instagram 15 minutes before I do on YouTube. I don't know why, I just randomly decided that. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed doing Vlogust this year, and I'm glad I attempted it. And I'm definitely looking forward to this R&R. Now, there were videos that I made before Vlogust hit me, so I'll probably end up posting those in September. One of them I think is a yarn haul. I forgot what the other one is. Forgive me, I don't remember at this point. I'd have to look at my planner. But those will be posting, so I might look a little different in those videos. Just an FYI, I haven't gone through any dramatic changes or anything. I just have old footage that I need to get out there. So that's cool. Oh, and that reminds me, so this is the Labor Day weekend, and I will be hosting a sale in my Etsy store starting on the 4th, and it'll go through until Monday. I think I have it set at 20% off, so if you have your eyes on any patterns or items in my shop, they'll be available at 20% off this weekend. So that's all I have for today. If you've been enjoying my content this month, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. I am a tutorial maker, and I also do these vlogs. I'm going to get tired of the word vlog for a minute, but I do vlog. I call them channel chats over on YouTube, so if you're interested in those, I do typically post those once or twice a month, and then for the remainder of the month, I end up posting tutorials and things like that. So, yeah. Don't forget to check me out on other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat. And I thought about it last night. I'm like, also I'm not on TikTok either. So those two I'm not on, but I'm pretty much on everything else. So I have a little something out there for everybody. All of my social media links on YouTube are listed in my description box below. So go and check me out. I'm also on Pinterest for you guys that don't know. And my social media links over on Instagram are actually in my bio, at the very bottom of my bio, so you can check me out there as well. And until next time, happy making! This is what I was twirling around. I don't know if this sound will come up in my video, just in case you guys were wondering. I don't even do fidget spinners, but I have this pen from school that had the fidget spinner on top, and occasionally I fidget with it. Usually not on camera though. Sorry.